Hi everyone, I am Fiona. In today's video, we will explain the remote module of our EPS cutting line. This remote module supports a Wi-Fi connection and 4G mobile signal internet connection. We generally recommend a direct connection to an internet cable to avoid data loss. The WAN interface is used to connect to the external network. After the customer uses a network cable to access the remote module, our engineers can see the core data of the cutting line on the software end. Next, we will invite the stoneworker to demonstrate the software end of the remote module. Through the GVCOM software, you can see whether the remote module of the cutting line is online or not. As shown in the video, after confirming that the remote module is connected to the network, we can open the Siemens software to query the data. After searching the data, we can see all the IP addresses of the EPS cutting line PLCs. In addition, you can view the operation status of the EPS cutting line through the device tree page on the left. Next, we will ask the staff to simulate the prompts of our remote module when problems occur during production. The staff went to the horizontal cutting station and pressed the pause button. As shown in the video, after the staff pressed the button, there will be a prompt on our remote end. The cursor changes from gray to green. The status changes from false to true. Through the remote module, we can understand the problems encountered by customers during production in time and provide solutions to the problems, effectively reducing communication costs and improving communication efficiency. For more information about the EPS machine and EPS mold, please contact us by email or mobile phone. We will be happy to answer your questions.